You alright?
Yeah.
One of the neighbours told us.
What have you done to my... Who gave you the fucking...
Oh, mate,
Who?
honestly,
Who? Do you know what I'm going to do? Right, this is a police matter.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're doing a local installation using our checker plate vented tiles, which most of you wouldn't have seen before, so it's going to be an interesting one, and we're also using a nice bright colour, so stay tuned and see what we're up to today.
Hello?
Hello, it's Adam from Garage Style. We're just coming to do your garage.
Okay, unfortunately I've had to pop out quickly, but I've left the garage open for you.
Oh, that's alright, yeah, we'll just crack on, we'll get it all done. Is there any... What's that?
Yeah, there's a few bits in there.
Okay.
But you can get rid of them, alright?
Yeah, we'll do that for you. Okay,
right,
no worries.
I'll be back soon.
Alright, see you soon. Okay,
Bye.
Bye. Oh look, there you go. It's the garage, is it? She said it was open, isn't it?
But yeah, how are you going to know which one it is? You're going to have to call her back.
No, look, it's got to be that one. It's open. It's got to be. Can't be in the other.
Let's see if there's anything in it.
Yeah, she said there was a few bits, so we'll just have a little look at it. It's got to be that one.
You sure it's going to be this one? There's carpet laid in there.
Yeah, man. It's the only one that was open.
Yeah, but what are we going to do? Rip this carpet out? Why don't you ring her quick, just double check. So we've just arrived at the job. The customer's not in, but they've given us access to the garage, so we're just going to get started. There's a few bits to move in here. There's an old carpet, which we're going to have to rip up because the tiles won't sit flat over that. We need a flat surface. So we're just going to pull that all out, move the stuff, and then we'll get started, so stay tuned. Should we just chuck all this outside?
That's the stuff that she said in it. She said there was a few bits in there, just have to get rid. Harry, get that knife, man. This is ridiculous.
Outside every day, green light, it's time to go. I don't wanna live life fast or die too young. Die too young. 100 miles per hour might crash, cause a good die young. Yeah, a good die young. I don't wanna live life fast or die too young. Die too young. 100 miles per hour might crash, cause a good die young. Yeah, a good die young. Push it to the limit, I can't go no more. Red light, no.
We've removed all the thick layer of carpet on top. Underneath is this thin carpet that's been used as an underlay. That's nice and firm, so we can lay straight over the top of that with our vented system. So we're just going to clean up the last few bits and then we're going to get started.
Back home, I'm coming back home. Right back where I left because I know my people needed me. Diamond in the rough, I don't know what it is they see in me. Go down as a legend in my city, cause we beat the streets. Trying to spread the wealth around the block, no, I can't keep from me. Told me I should leave. I see the bigger picture and it's way bigger than me. Can't be living like a king, but my people need to eat. If I got it, then you got it, we gon' get back on our feet. And I put it on me. I don't wanna live life fast or die too young. Die too young. 100 miles per hour might crash, cause good die young. Yeah, but here I come. I don't wanna live life fast or die too young. Die too young. 100 miles per hour might crash, cause a good die young.
Alright, last tile, that's got to be a record. It's got to be.
It's all finished here. I hope you guys like the colour. Let us know what you think in the comments. It's a bit of a mad one, but it came out nicely. So we're just going to tidy it all up and do the customer reveal.
Are you ready? We're going to just reveal the new garage.
Alright, okay.
Oh,
You're having a laugh, aren't you, mate?
no, look.
No, that's not my garage.
No?
No, it's this one. Bloody hell, look at the colour of that.
So
He's going to love that.
well, whose is this then?
My neighbour's.
You said it was the one that was open.
Yeah, this one's open.
Hmm?
Yeah. That's what I meant about the little bits. You see, you get rid of. What little bits did you get rid of?
Whoa.
Oh my God, he's going to be so mad with you, pal. Oh.
We can pull this back out.
Yeah, we'll just take it back out. You're sure it'll be fine?
I'll just tell him.
Alright, okay.
You can let him know. We'll put all this stuff back anyway.
Yeah, he might have to.
Look. I told you you should have rung on.
Yeah, but it was open. I said it was open. She said it was open.
The carpet's cut.
Wait, I ain't got nothing. I don't even know.
It's not even funny.
No, I'm laughing because I'm actually quite scared. I don't even know who's the neighbour. Oh, Harry, there's a geezer coming now. Harry, there's a geezer coming.
What's going on?
You alright?
Yeah.
One of the neighbours told us.
What have you done to my...
One of the
Why have I got... What have you fucking done? Where's all my stuff fucking gone?
We'll put this...
I'm not being funny. What?
Oh, mate, it was literally a mix-up. Like
No,
like,
what have
this
you done to my garage?
So-
Fuck it. Oh my. What? Is that my stuff?
We'll put the stuff back in this.
Is that
Honestly,
my?
it was just
What have you? I like it, but this is mine.
Yeah,
Who
no.
gave you the fucking?
Oh, mate,
who?
honestly, we are-
Who? Do you know what I'm going to do? Right, this is a police matter. I'm telling you, just come
No, we
in.
can-
You broke into my garage.
the garage was
Well,
open.
yeah,
that's why
that's
we
the
thought it was.
thing.
What?
The
Yeah, that's
garage
what
was
I thought it
literally
was.
open.
You just broke into.
The garage. We can pull
Oh,
this out.
I'm livid. Where's all my stuff? Where's my skateboard?
Been all-
Where is my skateboard?
It's never happened before. It was literally a complete misunderstanding.
So when are you going to come back and do?
Well, we can pull
what
it
do you
out. We'll
do?
put all your stuff back. Anything that's damaged, we'll replace. Honestly,
Well, you
it's
can.
it's a genuine mistake. The customer said the door was going to be open, and this door was literally open.
Oh,
we'll come back.
honestly,
What day are you going to do it on then?
When can we come back?
Well, what day is it today?
April the 1st.
Hey.